first lecture we have studied about crop production, what are crops, what are how they are produced, that all things we have completed in our last lecture. Now today we will study about the agriculture practices, which we have only the name I have introduced. Now in detail I am going to teach you. First one, plugging, sowing, irrigation, harvesting, storage. These are the name of agriculture practice. Now, first we will study about preparation of soil. It is not easy to grow crop just you put it in the field and it grow. What is happening? Farmer have to work it. First they have to prepare the soil. So what they do? They suppose this is your field. This is your field. So what does the farmer do? They do the plugging. Okay, plowing. In that what happens? They just turn the soil and loosening them. They just turn the soil and loosening them. So what is happening? How it is helpful for the crop to grow? It just allows the roots to reach deeper into the soil. वो क्या करते हैं? इसमें क्या होता है? फर्स्ट कि जो मिट्टी है, जो फर्स्ट लेयर है फील्ड की, उसको टर्न करते हैं. फर्स्ट लेयर को क्या करते हैं? टर्न करते हैं. तो जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स नीचे हो जाता है, which is deep inside the soil, that come up and which is beneficial for the growth of a plant. So how they do? They just use a plug, hoe, and if the field is so large, so they use a cultivator. So there are different agriculture tools which the farmer used to grow the plant. So it is compulsory, it is essential for the growth, for the proper growth of plant, because the nutrients which are present in the soil, what happens? The first crop do not grow at every layer. Only the first layer. You have studied about layers of soil. So in that you have studied different layers of soil. So what? Only on the top soil, on the top layer, the plants can be grown. Only on the top layer. So what happens if continuously farmer will grow the plant on the same field? So the nutrients will be over, which is needed by the plant. So what the farmer do? They just do the plugging. And what is the definition of the plugging? Is turning and loosening of soil. By loosening the soil, they help the plants to take the nutrients and other essential things from the deep inside the field. Okay. So what is the definition of plugging? The loosening and turning of soil for the proper growth of the crops. And the second, we can say it allows the roots to reach deeper into the soil because they get the space, so easily they go the downside the ground. And the second thing, it helps in bringing nutrients-rich soil to the top. So if there is a soil, if nutrients-rich soil is inside the layer or deep inside the earth, so what happens? With the help of plug, they just come. And the third thing, fertilizers easily can be mixed. So I will explain you about the fertilizer. And undesirable plants called weeds that are also removed from the land, which is harmful for the. While plowing, what happens? The farmer add the fertilizer. What do you mean by fertilizer? We can say in a simple way, it is a kind of medicine which is given to the soil that it can so the plant can grow, so the crop can grow easily. The definition which is given for fertilizer is natural or chemical substance that can contain one or more nutrients essential, which is essential. बहुत सारे nutrients होते हैं, इसमें nutrients होते हैं जो essential है किस चीज के लिए? For plant growth are called fertilizer. ठीक है? If they are not fertilized, the plants are not fertilized, so they are not. So if the soil is not fertilized, then the plants and crops cannot grow properly. And they are of two types: natural fertilizer and chemical fertilizer. These are the different type of fertilizer. So what is in the natural fertilizer? They are made up from decomposition of animal and plant waste. And chemical fertilizer, they are prepared in a factory. They stay for the long time. Natural fertilizer stay for the long time in the soil, and chemical fertilizer are washed away from easily. Start. And natural fertilizer are effective, but the result is slow. And chemical fertilizer are effective and their result are fast, but they are sometimes harmful for the crops also. Remember one thing, fertilization is not only the way to increase the crop yield. ठीक है, क्रॉप की प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाने के लिए सिर्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन ही ऑप्शन नहीं है. The farmer can use this different technique also. Crop rotation, mixed farming. These are two techniques which can be used by the farmer to grow the crops, to increase the crop yield. ये मतलब क्या होता है? To increase the production of crops. So first one, in crop rotation, what happens? In crop rotation, alternatively, what they can do? Alternatively, in one season they can grow, the farmer can grow pulses, and in second season they can grow wheat on the same land. So what happens? The nutrition, because both do not need the same kind of nutrients, so the nutrients which they need will take, and the remaining will left, and after that the wheat which nutrition will take when needed will be taken by the wheat. So in this way, what happens? Two types of the crops can be grown on a same field, but rotate, but with the help of crop rotation. Means alternatively, एक के बाद पहले pulses, फिर then again pulses, then wheat. It is also the one way. And the second way, that is a mixed farming. In mixed farming, what? Like they can take a Rabi season crops. ठीक है ना? Rabi crops जो आते हैं ना, seasonal which came in a summer month. So what in summer season? So what we can do? In the month of April, May, ठीक है ना? तो जब वो आते हैं वो रबी क्रॉप बोलते हैं. So gram, wheat, one more any, so they can take and grow together on a same field. So that is called a mixed farming. Nowadays one type of fertilizer is also there. Farmers are using biofertilizer. In this, the microorganisms which are good for the crops are used. So that is called a biofertilizer. Biofertilizer increase the nitrogen fixation rate in the soil and help crop better for better growth. And help crop grow betterly. ठीक है ना? उनकी ग्रोथ को बढ़ाने में वो हेल्पफुल रहते हैं. ठीक है? नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, this we will study in our next chapter about microorganisms. In that it is given in detail. Just remember that biofertilizer increase the nitrogen fixation rate in the soil and help farmer just fertilize the field. Now field is ready for what? For the crop, for getting sowing of crop. Sowing of crop means क्या होता है? The process of planting seeds in the soil. The process of planting seeds in the,
जो बीज सीड्स डालते हैं उसे क्या बोला जाता है? शोइंग. शोइंग इज ऑफ टू टाइप, मैनुअली बाय हैंड एंड ड्रिलिंग मशीन. So in showing manually by hand and by drilling machine, what the farmer do? They just take the seeds from the poly.
Seeds, when they are having a small field, they just throw the seeds, take a seed from a bag or polythene where they are keeping the seeds, and what they do, they just take out it and throw it in this manner. So there is not a proper equal distance among them. And what happens in a drilling machine? In drilling machine, there is a equal distance among the seeds. एक seed, so the drilling machine में ऐसा funnel type का रहता है. और seed equal distance पे क्या होते जाते हैं? Equal distance पे बाहर निकलते आते हैं. So for on a large field, they use a drilling machine to show the seeds. So why it is essential that it should be why it is what are the points a farmer should remember while putting this seeds in the soil? ठीक है ना? तो the points they have to remember, first thing, seeds should be shown at correct depth, neither too above nor too deep. ठीक है ना? अगर वो बहुत ऊपर रहेंगे तो what happen? The insects, rat, crow, many birds, they will eat the crop, eat the seeds. और अगर वो बहुत नीचे हो जाएंगे, बहुत डीप में पहुंच जाएंगे, so what will happen? The seeds will not get proper sunlight, proper air, so they cannot grow. So what the farmer have to remember? The seeds that have to be grown or to be sown should not be neither too deep or not too upper. And the second thing, they should be shown at equal distance. ठीक है, एक ही जगह पे बहुत सारे सीड्स गिर जाएंगे और एक जगह पे बहुत कम सीड्स रहेंगे, so there will not be a equal distance, or if there will not be equal distance, there would be a crowded, so the small or young seeds cannot be grown. So there should be a equal distance, so they should get a proper sunlight, air, water and nutrients to grow. So one thing they have to remember, one thing always the farmer should keep in the mind while growing the seed, that there should be a equal distance. Okay, in a field there should be a equal distance among the seeds, so the seeds can grow easily in the field. Okay, and this process is done after the fertilization. When the field is ready get ready, fertilized, then the then the seeds are shown in the field. After sowing, when our seed is ready, when we have put our seeds in a field, what we have to do? We have to give a water and artificial application of water to soil for assisting the growth of crop. ठीक है, क्रॉप के ग्रोथ के लिए जो पानी दिया जाता है आर्टिफिशियली, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? इरिगेशन. इरिगेशन मीन्स, in a simple word, irrigation means just to give a water for the soil. After that, there are also two methods: traditional method and modern method. In traditional method, there are mode, dekli, rahat, chain pump, motor pump, and in modern method there are sprinkle method and drip irrigation. So what happened in a mode? Just farmer use a bull or ox to take the water from the well and directly given to the field. In dekli, what they do? In dekli क्या करते हैं हम लोग? At one side they keep one heavy material and at one side बना big bucket. तो क्या होता है वो heavy चीज? तो it was like this. Heavy material रहता है, तो जो heavy चीज है वो नीचे जाएगी. तो इस साइड क्या करता है? फार्मर बकेट लगा देता है. तो फार्मर अपनी हेल्प से खुद फोर्स लगा के बकेट को इस पर डालता है इनसाइड द बैग, और वहां से बैग के अंदर जाती है, वहां से क्या होती है? बकेट फुल. जैसे ही उसको छोड़ता है, ये जो हैवी चीज है इसको वापस ले लेती है, तो ये ऊपर भर के आ जाता है. सो इन दैट वाटर कम फ्रॉम द बैग. जैसे पानी ऊपर आता है, उसको भी इसमें कवर कर देते हैं, जस्ट फ्लो put on the field. And in this way the different methods are there in rahat also, in chain pump also. In chain pump, like it was a different bucket okay. तो ये ऐसे घूमता रहता है कंटिन्यूसली. क्या होता रहता है? ऐसे घूमता रहता है. ये भर जाती है और यहाँ कुएं से अंदर से कुएं से पानी से भरता आता है, और ये बार ऐसे घूमती आती है, और यहाँ से ये खाली हो जाती है, फिर होती है, फिर खाली हो जाती है. So it happen in a chain pump. And in motor pump they use a motor to pump up water. So these are the traditional method. And in modern method, what happened? In modern method there are sprinkle method and drip irrigation. In sprinkle method, what happened? Maybe you all have seen a field. Everyone has seen a field. So what they do, the farmers, they just put the pipes and they work like the sprinklers. Okay, तो आपने देखा होगा कि ऐसे पूरे चारों तरफ क्या होता है? पानी फुब्बारों की तरह निकल रहा होता है. Water is coming like a sprinkler, and here is a nozzle, so that round वो घूमता है, और ये पानी क्या होता है? चारों तरफ घूमता है. But in this there is a wastage of water. In this there is a wastage of water. But this method is called a sprinkle method, and it is a modern method. But in this method they get the water easily. चारों तरफ all the side they get the water easily. And what happen in a drip irrigation? In this, the whole pipe are there in the field, and there is a hole in the pipe. There are small holes in a pipe. So like a drop of water come out from these pipes, and this is very beneficial for the farmer because it helps in saving the water. What happens? They help in saving the water in drip irrigation, because drop of water come wholly from these pipes. They are connected from each other. And hold together slow water, and this help farmer to save the water, and in this easily the water go throughout the all over the. So after irrigation, now our plants are ready to grow, and when they grow, the crops grow, what happens with that? They just grow. So when our plants are grow, after giving a water, means after irrigation, what happens? They are ready. But with plants, weeds are also grow. What happens? When our plant grows, with them weeds are grow. What are the weeds? Unwanted plants that grow with crops. Okay, crops are not grown alone. उनके साथ क्या हो जाते हैं? Unwanted plant. So they are called the weeds. So we have to protect them. What happens? We have to protect them. So the process of removing weeds को हटाने का जो प्रोसेस होता है उसको बोला जाता है weeding. And weedicides means the दवाइयाँ जो यूज करते हैं पर chemicals used to destroy weeds. ठीक है ना? तो what happen? These weedicides do not harm the crop, they just destroy the weeds only. After irrigation, after weedicides means जब उसमें दवाइयाँ छिड़कती और unwanted plant निकाल लिए, what that now totally our crop is ready to be get harvested. ठीक है? Harvesting means the process of cutting and gathering of crop. आपको क्या करना है? पेड़ की कटाई, क्रॉप्स की कटाई होती है और उसके बाद उनको गैदर करा जाता है, और इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोला जाता है? Harvesting. And farmer use a different tool that comes in a harvester, sickle, combined harvester. ठीक है ना? So these things they use to cut the plant. And threshing and winnowing, that also come under harvesting. What happens जब उसकी कटाई हो जाती है? So in threshing, the threshers are coming. So what we put crops in that, and the grains are separated. Okay, the grains are separated. And in winnowing, the grains are separated from the chaffs. Okay, separated from the chaffs. Now that is ready, full thing are ready. So what? We cannot keep them in an open ground. So what we have to do? We have to keep the crops in a store. We have to store the crops. So what does the farmer do? They just keep them in a silos. What are silos? Big drum like. ये बहुत बड़े ड्रम जैसे बॉक्स होते हैं, उनको क्या बोला जाता है? सिलोस. उसमें बहुत सारा क्या होता है? ग्रेन्स को स्टोर करा जाता है, और ना ग्रेन अगेंस्ट इनको क्या बोलते हैं? एक बैग में, ठीक है ना, जूट बैग रहते हैं जिसमें क्या करते हैं? और क्रॉप्स को स्टोर किया जाता है. After storage, now this animal husbandry we are going to study. Rearing of animal on a large scale for food and other is called animal husbandry. When we are rearing means जब हम animals को पालते हैं, जिससे on a large scale, यानी कि सिर्फ एक एनिमल, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को पाला जाता है, उनका ध्यान रखा जाता है और उनसे अलग अलग फूड प्रोडक्ट्स को लिया जाता है एंड अदर एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. Rearing of animals on a large scale for food and other need is called animal husbandry. ठीक है? मीन्स आप एनिमल्स को जब पालते हो, एक एनिमल को नहीं, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को जब आप बहुत सारी तादाद में अपन उनको पालते हैं और उनसे अलग अलग फूड प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं, तो वो कहलाता है एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. लाइक मिल्क फ्रॉम काउ, गोट, बफेलो एसेट्रा, एग फ्रॉम हैन, डक एसेट्रा, फिश, honey, we get honey from the honey bees. So these all come under the category of animal husbandry.